Hi, what's up? Sam here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition. And to be honest, the first time I got this package, I thought it was, a premium phone or a box for money or something. But it's not. It's just the box for POCO's first active noise cancelling earbuds, POCO Buds Pro. Yeah, seems so eco-unfriendly, and I like it. Okay, so that's the packaging, POCO Genshin Impact, and we have some product information on the back. Okay, I'm not going to, read it one by one. So boring. Let's just unbox it. Ooh, yeah. Wow, like I said, this is too much. This is too premium for a pair of earbuds. Normally this earbuds comes with this small box and that's it, but this is too much. So, wow. And so you have this paper sheet with this gold text on it. Okay, I like it, but let's put it aside. Wow, man. Ooh. Wow. This looks too much, right? Too premium, too good. It got a foam to protect the earbuds. Wow. Can I take the whole thing out? Yes, you can take it. Okay, great. And that's it. Okay, that's the box. What's inside is like a magic book. Holy smoke. I really like it. I like this package. Ooh. Wow. See? Wow. Holy jeez. I mean, a pair of earbuds does not deserve so good packaging. I mean, why? Check this out. This is like made of leather or something. This is like this luxurious bags, right? Ooh. All right. So let's just put aside and check out what else. Wow. Okay, that's the first layer. And then moving on, we have the this is the chain. Oh, and that's it. Wow, this is like, oh man, I'm impressed. Like, this is really impressed. It's like POCO has devoted a lot of money on the packaging and all those little details. Man, I've never been so pumped. A Type-C cable, 3 extra ear tips. That's great. And of course we have a manual, a very detailed manual. POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition user manual 1 have so many different languages, which is user friendly. Man, it's really detailed, right? And this is good because not so many users are familiar with the earbuds, right? Also, we have the warranty notice, some paperwork, and that's it. That's like so premium, so elegant. It's like if you gave this to someone as a gift, people would love it. It's not just a cheap earbuds, it's premium. Anyway, let's move to the earbuds. Okay. Ooh. Wow. I like it. So that's the charging case. So that's the Genshin Impact logo on the back. On the front is the indicator. Seems why this should be like 4 battery, right? Ooh. And here the reset key or something. At the bottom we see Type-C charging port. And that feels like with this kind of matte finish, it doesn't get fingerprints or smudges. That's great. Okay, and that's the earbuds, like this style. Do you like this kind of style? Alright, so that's the unbox. I'm going to use it for some time and let you know its user experience with its sound quality, with its latency, and everything else. So stay tuned for that.